Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335 L2H2 spares or repairs Headgasket still runs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149825. MOT, the 8th of August 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Nice easy job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.